Hope you enjoyed the activism. I'm like Kevin Blanche. He went up, he's over in the nuclear power facility area. I was like, because we're kicking up against the big nuclear power industries right now. So in my world, we're going against the elite nuclear power plant. I do it in Phoenix. He does it in Utah, Idaho, California, New York. He goes all over. But it's nice to see people like out there, kicking ass and trying to expose the Illuminati, especially with nuclear power and how much money they have and how much pull they have. That's what I'm impressed with. How many times you get COVID and survive. But needless to say, I've had people pay letters with some pretty crazy stuff, especially the Canadians. But other than that, I do it for Kevin Blanche. I do a lot of this stuff for other fellow YouTubers that are out there going against the bad guys. So if you ask why I sit there and I go into downtown Phoenix and do what I do as an activist against the Masons, Freemasons, Bilderbergs, Bohemian Grove, because obviously you can see they exist. Georgia Guidestone's disappeared literally overnight. Nobody says a word. Bohemian Grove's still fully operational. And chemtrails are obviously still being dispersed for the nuclear power plant and their closed evaporative loops. But nobody ever talks about that. Well, there's one thing I did want to notate before I end this video real fast. And that was that the downtown area smelled like lots of radiator fluid. It smells like ethylene glycol. And I don't know if anybody's caught on to that or not, but I just wanted to bring that out, make attention to the fact that a lot of that area downtown smells like ethanol glycol. And I don't know if anybody said anything to the EPA about it, but somebody might want to go check the downtown area and say, hey, where is all the ethanol glycol coming from? Sniffers. And all I can say, it was very strong. When you can smell ethanol glycol at levels like that, it's incredible. It's like, whoa, that's too much. And most people aren't picking it up, or if not, they're not saying anything about it. But other than that, let's put it this way, I had a bird's eye view at Palo Verde, of Palo Verde. It was just south of my camera, and I could watch exactly what it was doing. And I brought that to a lot of my neighbors' attention, going, hey, be careful about the air you breathe. So we wore masks when it was necessary, but other than that, like I said, nobody's saying a word about the chemtrail program. So that's what I also do it for. We just kick ass. And like, what was that Roddy Piper would say when he went into the bank and they live? I'm here to chew bubblegum and kick ass, and I'm all out of bubblegum. That's how I feel at times. So anywho, I do these videos. Oh, side note, I do all the bike riding to make an R Mitra show, hey, we can do that too down here, and not to gloat, but just, hey, having access to a high-speed bicycle downtown is phenomenal. So all I could just being in all the cities, metropolises areas that I've been in, definitely phenomenal. Other than that, peace out, much love, te quiero mucho.